Hi, welcome to this lesson in algebra, strategy for solving word problems. Now, there is no set rule or formula that we can keep using when solving any type of word problem. It'll always depend on the context of the question and the information that is given to us. However, there are some helpful guidelines that we can use to set up a word problem using the language of mathematics. Firstly, try to read the question in its entirety. Some questions might be short, some questions might be pretty long, but it's important to read the question fully so that we make use of all the information given. Next, you want to highlight key object or key objects that get referenced the most relative to other objects. Now, for example, your word problem could be based on, let's say, 4 people, person A, B, C, and D. Now, person A might get referenced relative to person B and person C and person D. This information that is relative to them could be probably their ages between them or the height differences between them. It could be any property that the word problem is stating between these 4 people. However, person A might be referenced the most amongst all the 4 people. So that might be a key object that we end up using. Carefully identify what the question is asking. This is really important because this will help you identify the variable or variables that you will assign to certain key objects. Once you've done that, we can assign the variable or variables, could be more than one, to the key object. And with this variable or variables, we can then set up a system of equations based on the information given. We can then solve these equations for the unknown variable or unknown variables, and this generally will solve the problem. So this is a guideline on how you can approach a word problem. All right, I'll see you in the next one.